What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be duping for you to the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. Also, stay tuned to the end for a giveaway. Today's giveaway, I will be giving away a Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick from his last collection, not the Blood Sugar collection, in gold. I picked a shade that I thought would be different for summer and spring, and it would suit all skin tones. So stay tuned for that at the end, and let's get into the swatches. A quick disclaimer, I've been swatching all morning. I'm not doing my nails because my hands are severely stained by this palette. Keep that in mind. These, I believe, are all pressed pigments, and they definitely stain terribly. So if you could see the difference between my palm and my arm, keep that in mind as well, because these actually don't stain. So without further ado, let's get into swatching. First one up from Jeffree is Glucose, and it is a matte white. And the dupe I have for that is White Lies from Makeup Geek. Next one up from Jeffree is Sugar Cane. And the dupe I have for that is Say I Do from Colourpop. Next up from Jeffree is Cake Mix. And the dupe I have for that is Tuscan Sun from Makeup Geek. Next, we have Ouch from Jeffree's. And the dupe I have is Gingerbread from Colored Rain. Up next from Jeffree, we have Donor. And the dupe for that is Glamorous by Makeup Geek. Up next from Jeffree, we have Intravenous. And the dupe for that is Cute Alert from Colourpop. First one from Jeffree is Candy Floss. The dupe I have for that is Da Bling by MAC. I have Tongue Pop from Jeffree. And Flower Boy from Colourpop. This one here is Sweetener. This one here is Sweetener. And we have Cosmopolitan by Makeup Geek. Up next, we have Cavity. And the dupe for that is Sandbar by Colourpop. Next, we have O Positive. And the dupe is Pedal Pusher from Makeup Geek. Last in this row, we have Root Canal. I'm going to go down towards the beginning because I ran out of room. And the dupe is 143 from Colourpop. First up, we have Prick. I'm going to swatch that again because it actually swatched nice. I think it's because I just washed my hands. And the dupe is Brick from Carity. I'll link the websites down below for the dupes too. Up next we have Cherry Soda. And the dupe for that is Colourpop Fortune Cookie. Next we have Fresh Meat. And the dupe for that is Makeup Geeks Mars. Up next we have Blood Sugar. And the dupe I have for that is Copper Ring from MAC. Second to last, we have Extraction. And the dupe for that is Stay Golden from Colourpop. And lastly, we have Coma. And the dupe for that is Going Steady from Colourpop. This is the giveaway prize. This is the shade First Class from the holiday collection. I love the packaging and I love that it was in the gold. I thought it would be really cool addition to someone's collection. That's the giveaway for this video. We'll leave a in the comments down below. Make sure you leave hashtag giveaway, hashtag Jeffree Star Cosmetic. That completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day or night wherever you are, whatever time it is, and I will see you shortly in my next one. Bye guys.